listening to one of their most popular songs, Sugar We're Going Down. And that's cool, as long as you appreciate their other music too. And you know that, obviously, that's not the only song that they own.
All my friends are heathens, take it slow.
Are you listening to that most popular song? Oh my god, fake fan? You don't even appreciate their real music. Fake fan, fake fan. Screw you. You don't even appreciate real music. You don't even know 21 Pilots, okay? If you only listen to heathens, my god, what is wrong with you, fake fan? Ew. Favorite band member? Probably Pete Wentz. I don't know, just 10 out of 10.
Check the guns at the door, doesn't mean our brains will change from hand grenades. You loving on the psychopath sitting next to you.
Oh my god, did you just ask me what my favorite band member is? Oh my god, how rude. Have you ever seen the Twitter polls? My favorite album? Well, that one's a hard one, but I have to say... Infinity Out High. Final answer. Sorry, they just have so many.
Words, but I'm worse. But started out a joke of a romantic stuck to my tongue. Way down with words too.
Okay, well, if I choose Blurry Face, I will be accused to be called a faked fan. If I choose Vessel, they have songs that are played on the radio on there, such as House of Gold. If I choose Regional at Best, some songs have been remade, which are originally from Regional at Best, so I have to say self-titled or else I'm a fake fan. So self-titled. Favorite song? It's probably Dance Dance. I don't care what people say. I know it's one of their more popular songs, but I just enjoy Dance Dance. I think it was a wonderfully well-made song. Doesn't matter if it's popular or not, you know?
You always fold just before you found out.
Favorite song? Okay, I gotta eliminate all the songs from Blurry Face, of course. I gotta eliminate all the songs from Vessel, of course. I have to eliminate all the songs from Regional at Best, of course, just as I was saying last time. I mean, they all get radio play, besides Regional at Best, besides songs that were made out into Vessel, but forget that. So it has to be a song off of self-titled, but one of their least popular songs on self-titled, which means, according to my calculations, my favorite song is Trapdoor. Alright, well apparently that was the video I made. It turned out terrible. I thought it was going to turn out better than that, but it didn't. Anyway, as promised in the title, got some corn nuts. When I first saw these, I thought they were popcorn, but then I realized, no, they're just corn. I got ranch flavored to make this interesting because it's not original flavored, which is boring. No idea what these are. This is what it looks like. It's a nut, obviously, except I thought it was popcorn at first. Alright, let's taste it. Oh my god, it's so crunchy and it's like burnt tasting. It must have been in the vending machine forever. Oh my god. Oh, I didn't get the flavor out of my mouth. Oh, just think of ranch flavored nuts. That's how this tastes. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. That's the weirdest outro I've ever done. Oh my god. Bye bye.